Welcome back guys, we're back again. This time we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to link your blog, so all your current posts or any posts that you'll post from now on will actually get put straight onto that page. If you've not got yourself online yet, I do suggest checking out SeekaHost. You can grab yourself a domain and using their new SeekaHost app you can get yourself online in a matter of minutes. Now with that we're going to log on to our WordPress dashboard. So a large part of actually having your site is being able to post and blog and put articles out there that might bring many more people in to actually view your site. Now we're going to cover making an engaging post in a separate video because there's a few different points to go into that. However, what we're going to do is we're actually going to set up the page right now from scratch, and then we're going to link it, so it's going to be our post page. We'll do an example post it, and then just see how that all works if you are brand new to it, just so you got a good idea how blogs work. So first of all, if you haven't used a template and you haven't got a blog page already, let's head over and actually create the page. To do that, we're going to go over to pages, and then we're going to go to add new. Alternatively, you can always use the little plus sign up here and then come down to page. So I'm just going to call this page posts. You can of course call it blog, or you can call it whatever you like. And now I'm just going to publish it. So now if you come onto pages, or when it comes back to pages, you're going to see that we have our post page here. Now very similarly to how we've done the home page, you head over to your settings, and from there you go to the reading. Now you can of course actually change this so your homepage actually just displays your latest posts. That's just by clicking that. However, you will take out your homepage out of the equation then, because it will be your post page that you're using, or more the posts that you are posting that will be used as your homepage display. However, we're going to be using a static page, and of course we've got our homepage already set to our home. If you haven't done that already, we've got another video. I'll leave the link popping up now. However, we want to change what the post page is. So from here we can now select it, and this is why we created the page before, because you've got to have the page created to actually select it, and we're going to click that. Underneath that, you're going to be able to choose the blog pages shown at most, and we're going to keep that at 10, and how many items you want the syndication feeds to show for the most recent. Now underneath you can choose whether you want it to be a full text or just a summary of your post. I'm just going to keep it as full text because it's going to be the post page. I want people to be able to read the full article. And underneath it's going to ask for search engine visibility. You can discourage search engines from indexing this site. However, I don't see why you would feel the need to do this. This is of course how they're going to be able to find you and send people your way. So with that, we're pretty much done, and we're going to hit save. Settings are saved, and now we have our post page. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a very short example post, and then we're going to send it up, and we're just going to check it out. However, first what we do need is we actually need to add it to our menu. So to do this, we're going to come to appearance, and we're going to come to menus. So by menu I mean the options at the top of your website, which will say home, privacy, about us and stuff like that. So we want to get it added there. As you can see on our menu that we've already created, we have home and we have a privacy page, and that's all. I will make a dedicated video for just creating the menus. However, if you're not sure already, if you watch our homepage video, it will also show you how to create a quick menu. So if you look over to your left, you've got the pages options here. Once you've got that open, you're going to see the most recent, or you can view all pages. Posts is the one that I just created, so we're going to tick that, and then we're going to hit add to menu, and now it's popped up here. The way that you can set this up is if it's on the far left, it's a main menu page. However, if you want it like a sub menu, you can put it here, and then if you want it a sub menu of that sub menu, you can then do that. If I was to do that, that means privacy is the main menu option. Once I hover above that, it will show me post, and if I hover above post, it will show me home. However, I want these all to be main pages, and the top one's going to be the first one, so the most to the left of your page. So I'm going to have home, post, and then privacy, and now you can go ahead and save the menu. And if we just head up and actually visit the site, we should now see we got the home, we got the post, and we got the privacy policy. If we click it, there's nothing actually on that page. However, it will take us to our empty page, and it's got our first hello world post that's sort of given to us when we get the site by default. So now we're just going to head over to posts here, and to make a new post you can add new, or in the same way as the page you can come to the plus sign and then click add new post. So I'm just going to write up a quick example post and then post it so I can show you how it posts up to your page. So we've written up our example post and we're just about to post it now. A couple of things that I'll point out, which I'll do in a further video, is the SEO score here, which of course isn't great at the moment because it's just not a amazingly published article. It's not got lots of helpful links and stuff like that. However, we'll go through a much better video on how to get a great post which gets really well read, gets a good SEO score and gets lots of people coming to your site. But for now, we are going to publish this just so we can check it out. So let's go ahead and publish. Hit publish again, and we can see on the bottom left we've got post published. Now we can go ahead and view post, and as you can see we've now got our first post here. People can also leave a reply here or post a comment. Now as we're on your post page, every time you post it will be another post, so when I do a new one it will be the top one here. Of course you can change this during the settings, and you can then scroll down. You can also add a widget to your site, and you can have stuff like recent posts so people can see where your recent posts are. Obviously we have the first default post, and then we have our one, and again it will link back to there. If we go to home and then we go to posts, again we can see that they're all here. So I hope you found that helpful. If you need any more videos like this, don't forget to check out the SeekaHost tutorials, and make sure to check out their online packages and get yourself online as soon as possible. So thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.